Hello. Today I'm going to talk about the overpopulation of companion animals. I want to tell folks about the overpopulation of cats and dogs, also known as companion animals. I want to educate folks about the practices of puppy mills. They are horrible places. I will shine some light on the overpopulation of cats and dogs and how puppy mills and even the American Kennel Club are big contributors to this dilemma. According to the Oxford Lafayette Humane Society, there are 3 to 4 million cats and dogs euthanized every day in United States shelters, retrieved from animal overpopulation, no date. This happens because there's no one to adopt them. They are homeless forever until they get euthanized. Pet stores acquire their companion animals from puppy mills or from brokers who frequent the puppy mills. Nowadays, the brokers will go to the puppy mills and get the animals and then sell them either online or in newspaper ads. I perused many different websites and compared their statistics to give you the most reliable information I could find. During this presentation, you will learn about the abundance of companion animals and the practices of puppy mills. Every day in the United States, 70,000 cats and dogs are born. This was retrieved from animal overpopulation, no date. There are an estimated 15,000 puppy mills in the United States that supply almost 100% of pet store animals. This was retrieved from puppy mills, no date. The American Kennel Club does not allow spaying or neutering. This was from Mary Jo Alba, 2013. Not only does the American Kennel Club not allow spaying or neutering, they do not care, they're not interested at all in the health of the animal, nor do they care if the animal is well behaved or not. It's simply to do what they have to do to win the competition. Many pet owners fail to spay or neuter their pets. There are 70 million stray cats and dogs in the United States. This was retrieved from animal overpopulation, no date. 70% of pet owners relinquish their pet for various reasons. This was retrieved from animal overpopulation, no date. American puppy mills produce millions of puppies every year, while millions of dogs are put to death in shelters. This was retrieved from puppy mills, no date. Facilities that mass produce puppies and put profit above welfare, puppy mills create living conditions for their dogs that are deplorable at best. Retrieved from Mary Jo Dion, no date. In the puppy and kitten mills, the animals are kept in small wire cages, stacked one on top of another, living in their own poop. And you have to understand the way they're stacked. You figure the poop is falling from the very top to the bottom. They do not receive the correct veterinary care. They do not get proper food or water. They do not socialize with other dogs or cats. They get no grooming. And they suffer from deformities and disease because of the conditions they were raised in. Retrieved from Mary Jo Dion, no date. There's a huge overabundance of cats and dogs in the United States. Buying pets at pet stores only adds to the problem. Adopting a pet from your local shelter or rescue is the only humane choice. This was retrieved from Animal Rescue Corps. My references are Mary Jo Alba, 2013, listverse.com/2013/06/01/10 terrifying facts about professional dog breeding. Animal overpopulation, no date, retrieved from www.oxfordpets.com/index.php?option equals com content and view equals article and ID equals 61. Mary Jo Dion, no date. Puppy Hell, the horrors of puppy mills, retrieved from moderndogmagazine.com/articles/puppy hell horrors puppy mills /269. Educate to End Puppy Mills, no date, retrieved on February 7th from animalrescuecorps.org/educate to end puppy mills. End puppy mills, no date, retrieved from animalrescuecorps.org/learn puppy mills. Okay, and we will finish with our PowerPoint presentation. Overpopulation of companion animals. Every day in the United States, 70,000 cats and dogs are born, retrieved from animal overpopulation, no date. Each year in the United States alone, 3 to 4 million dogs and cats are put down in shelters because they have no one to adopt them, retrieved from listverse.com. There are 3 major reasons for this overabundance of companion pets. Number 1, many people neglect to spay or neuter their pet. Number 2, people purchase pets through pet stores and breeders instead of adopting homeless ones. Number 3, people get companion animals without realizing that it should be a lifelong commitment, retrieved from PETA.org. My references are Animal Overpopulation, no date, retrieved from www.oxfordpets.com, listverse.com, terrifying facts about professional dog breeding, and www.peta.org, issues/companion animal issues/overpopulation. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.